दोस्तों आज के वीडियो में बात करने जा रहे हैं कन्वर्जेशनल एआई के बारे में। दोस्तों अगर आप किसी यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट यूज करते हैं या किसी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी की वेबसाइट यूज करते हैं या किसी तरह की वेबसाइट अपने यूज करते हैं तो आपने अक्सर देखा होगा कि जैसे ही हम लॉगिन करते हैं या इस यूनिवर्सिटी की किसी कंपनी या यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट ओपन करते हैं तो हमें एक पॉपअप ओपन होता है। वो पॉपअप लिखा होता है कि हाउ मे आई हेल्प यू। और जैसे हम टाइप मैसेज करते हैं वी गेट रिस्पॉन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर क्वेश्चन। तो सम टाइम में फील होता है कि हम किसी पर्सन से टॉक कर रहे हैं, बट दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल ऑलवेज। क्योंकि अगर आप सोचें कोई भी, अगर मैं एग्जांपल लेता हूँ, अगर मैं फेसबुक की बात करूँ या किसी बहुत फेमस वेबसाइट की बात करूँ तो डेफिनेटली एट ए टाइम उस पर लाखों यूजर या हज़ारों यूजर एसेस कर रहे होंगे और हज़ारों यूजर्स में कुछ यूजर जरूर क्वेश्चन पुटअप कर रहे होंगे। तो ये किसी भी कंपनी के लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है कि 10,000 या 15,000 लोगों को हायर करे सिर्फ इसलिए टू गेट द रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ द क्यूरी विच इज़ रेज बाय द यूजर। तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। अगर आप किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में जा रहे हैं एडमिशन लेने, अगर वहाँ पे 1,000 बंदे उस यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट को एक्सेस कर रहे हैं और सभी क्वेश्चन पुटअप कर रहे हैं तो 1,000 पर्सन किसी यूनिवर्सिटी की किसी यूनिवर्सिटी के रखने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल होगा। तो बेसिकली ऑल दिस प्रोसेस हैपन ड्यू टू कन्वर्जेशनल एआई। तो जैसे हम कोई मैसेज टाइप करते हैं वी गेट रिस्पॉन्स, ये कैसे हो रहा है? तो बेसिकली दिस इज हैपनिंग थ्रू द यूजेज ऑफ कन्वर्जेशनल एआई। तो इस वीडियो में आज हम कन्वर्जेशनल एआई के बारे में बात करेंगे कि कैसे हमारा काम करता है और बेसिकली होता क्या है, इसके मेन कंपोनेंट क्या है। तो दोस्तों बेसिकली कन्वर्जेशनल एआई इज बीइंग यूज्ड टू कम्युनिकेट बिटवीन कंप्यूटर एंड ह्यूमन। तो बेसिकली जो हमारा कन्वर्सेशनल एआई है वो मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है टू कम्युनिकेट बिटवीन कंप्यूटर एंड ह्यूमन। बेसिकली कन्वर्सेशनल एआई इज यूज टू स्टेबलाइज ए कनेक्शन between computer and human, so we get response according to our raised question. Conversational AI is a set of technology. Whatever we get output from the conversational AI, so basically this happen through the set of technology which Uh, basically, conversational AI is a set of technology behind automated messaging and speech-enabled application that offer human-like instruction between computers and human. So, conversational AI can communicate like human by firstly recognize the speech and text and try to find out what the user has raised the question or type. And deciphering different language means convert different language in a normal language so machine can easily understand and give the response according that question which is raised by the user. And all the process mimic like human conversation. So हमें लगता है कि हम किसी पर्सन से बात कर रहे हैं, बट एक्चुअली वी आर गेटिंग आउटपुट फ्रॉम कन्वर्जेशनल एआई। ओके। And applied conversational AI requires both science and art to create successful application that incorporate context, personalization, and relevance with human to computer interaction. Now, uh, basically, main important question is how does conversational AI work? So basically, here we can see some block. So basically, these blocks are responsible for giving out the output according to the question. So let me discuss all the box one by one so you can easily understand ki how conversational AI works. So here you can see there is a user raise a question, I forget my account password, please help. Then what happened, uh, as I discussed in earlier slide, कि conversational AI is a set of technology. Okay, so here you can see automated speech recognition, that is called ASR in short form. Second is natural language understanding, that is called ANLU. Third is dialogue management, and fourth is natural language generation. So basically natural language understanding and natural language generation is a part of NLP, that is called natural language processing. So firstly what happened whenever user type or speech, so automated speech recognition listen that message and send to natural language understanding. So here the natural language understanding try to find out intent behind that particular message or voice, then transfer to dialogue management. Here dialogue management form a response and natural language generation offer a response to the user. So here you can see there are two types of message. That message can be text or voice. So both type of message basically convert in text. Then according to that dialogue management form a response. That response goes to natural language generation and then we get output. So basically natural language generation means just try to convert output in natural language so user can easily understand, because here we are not talking about only English language or Hindi language. There are different type of language and user are free to communicate their own language. So machine have to work according to that. Now these are some basic component of conversational AI. First one is ASR, that is called automated speech recognition. The main responsibility of ASR is to listen the input whatever user had type or saying. So basically the first work of ASR is try to listen that particular message. Then it's come to comprehending, means try to understand what is intent, what is meaning of that particular message. Then according to that message dialogue management is responsible for form the response, and then finally NLG offer the response. So here you can see in this diagram there are two things. There are one thing that is machine learning. So now we discuss what is importance of machine learning. So basically what happened, machine language is responsible to update the machine over the time so we can get desired and correct output. क्या होता है कि sometime मान लीजिए आपने कोई क्वेश्चन रेज किया, हमें उसके अकॉर्डिंग आंसर नहीं मिला, बिकॉज हो सकता है कि उस समय मशीन के पास कोई आंसर नहीं है, बट आफ्टर सम टाइम अगर आपने सेम क्वेश्चन रेज किया है तो डेफिनेटली दिस टाइम मशीन विल गिव आंसर. Now there is a question how it is possible. So because there is a machine learning, and machine learning is try to update that system after learning from an experience. First time machine को experience हुआ कि वो I have no answer. Then second time when you are putting the that same question, machine is going to respond because machine has updated itself through their previous experience. So that is machine learning, and the main responsibility of machine learning to update the system over the time. So what happen, SAR translate is spoken into words into text and LLP interprets the meaning behind the text. So these are the two main component in this slide. You can see here and here. Now let's discuss working of these components. So the first application receive the information input from the human, which can be either written text or spoken phrases. If input is spoken, SR try to listen and try to convert into the text, and that text can be written by read by the machine. And the second application must decipher what the text means. Decipher means try to convert in normal language so NLU can easily understand and the text and try to find out what is basically meaning of that particular text. Then it's come to dialogue management. According the input received from the NLU, Dialogue management is try uh, to form the response and convert that response in human understandable format using natural language generation, and then natural language language generation deliver the response in text or uses speech synthesis. So basically, these are four components. First one is SR try to listen the input and then convert into machine readable format text. Then NLU try to find out what is meaning of that particular message or text, and then dialogue management form the response according to that input, and natural language generation convert that output in the machine understandable format, and then it's give output to the user. And last one is machine learning. Machine learning is the component which is responsible for learning and improving the application over time, where the application accept characters and learns from the experience to deliver a better response in future interaction, which we have already discussed. Now there is a major question कि what is difference between conversational AI and chatbot. So let me summarize. Actually, I am not going to give you detailed uh, difference. Just I want to discuss one or two so you can easily understand कि what is basically difference. So basically difference is chatbot is not updated over time, but conversational AI updated itself over time, so we get correct output and latest output. So conversational AI application can be programmed with a varying level of complexity, resulting in dramatically different end products which can be used as a personal assistant to facilitate conversation between customer and business, and within business to automated operation. The simplest example of conversational AI application is a frequently asked question bot or bot. These are basic answer and response machine, also known as chatbots, where you must type the exact keyword. Here the main thing, exact keyword to require receive the appropriate response. In fact, these chatbots are so basic that they may not even be considered conversational AI at all, as they do not use NLP or dialogue management or machine learning to improve over time. So basically, basic chatbot is not uses NLP or dialogue management और machine learning to improve over time. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जो सबसे बड़ा मेजर डिफरेंस है चैटबॉट में और कन्वर्जेशनल एआई में, chatbot responses is fixed. You have to type exact keyword, then you are going to get output. Otherwise chatbot आपको response नहीं करने जा रहा है. But in case of conversational AI that works on the basis of NLP, dialogue management and machine learning, so we can get output. So this is major difference, because chatbot ना आपका मशीन लर्निंग यूज करता है कि अपने आप को इम्प्रूव कर सके, ना एनएलपी यूज करता है, ना डायलॉग मैनेजमेंट यूज करता है, बिकॉज इन चैटबॉट यू हैव टू गिव एग्जैक्ट कीवर्ड, बट कन्वर्जेशनल एआई में ऐसा नहीं है. इसीलिए nowadays everybody is just switching over the conversational AI to make human interaction with computer very easy and convenient. Okay, also you can take example of Amazon Alexa, Apple Siri, Google Home, all are the based on the conversational AI because they are updating themselves over the time. Now what are main challenges in conversational AI? So there are various factors which affect the conversational AI, and it's require more advanced technology to overcome and give the answer. So constantly changing communication. So why we are saying changing communication? Because firstly we try to write whole the message. Now कुछ लोगों ने इसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिखना शुरू किया. अब now लोग there are many person who express their message in form of emojis. So these are not possible to understand by conversational AI. So we need to improve our technology so we can overcome from this situation. Because आपने देखा होगा बहुत लोग मैसेज या कम्युनिकेट करते हैं थ्रू इमोजी. So from language, dialects and accent, emojis and slangs, there are a lot of factors that can influence the communication between a human and a machine. So conversational AI system need to keep up with what's normal and what is new normal with the human communication. Normal means whatever पहले हम जो टाइप करते थे वेयर आर यू आर गोइंग, नाउ लोगों ने शॉर्ट फॉर्म में तोड़ दिया, मीन्स दैट इज न्यू फॉर्मल बिकॉज मेनी पीपल आर नाउ द अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ दिस. जैसे बाय द वे पहले लिखते थे बाय द वे, अब लोग लिखते हैं BTW. सो this is new normal. Security and privacy, especially when dealing with sensitive personal information that can be stolen, conversational AI application must be designed with security in mind to ensure that privacy is respected and all the personal details are kept confidential or reacted based on the channel being used. Discovery and adoption. Although conversational AI applications are becoming increasingly easy to use and normalized for the general population, there are still challenges that can be overcome to increase the number of people who are comfortable using technology for a wider variety of use cases. Educating your customer base on the opportunities can help the technology be more well received and create better experiences for those who are not familiar with it. So these are all about the conversational AI. Hope you easily got what is conversational AI, how conversational AI work, and why conversational AI is beneficial over the chatbot. So thank you for listening this. Thank you.